Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so the waiting time is finally over. I finally got my hands onto the pre-ordered Light Saber from Sabertrio. Alright, so this will be the box that you receive. It's gonna be shipped via DHL, and I already opened this actually, but let's just start it back from the beginning. And before we begin, thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe the channel and the video, and do request for anything that you have in mind. Just put up there in the comment section below. Alright, so once you open the box, this will be the thing that you will get once you order any kind of saber from Sabertrio. Okay, so this will be the card from the company itself. Okay, and this will be thank you for the blah blah blah, and this will be the code for the manual, the user guide, right? Alright, so I'll split the accessories one by one out of the box, and we'll go straight away into all the things you'll get. Alright, so before we go one by one to the accessories and so the parts, I actually ordered the FX Light Saber from Sabertrio. You'll have a few options, including the Neo Saber, which is the highest grade, and also the Battle one, which is the lowest one. Alright, so it depends on you totally on how you're gonna use the saber, which kind of features you want. So for the FX Saber, you'll have the options of 15 different colors, whichever types of handle you picked, it doesn't matter, and it will give you the option of choosing either one of the FX sound effect. So for this one I picked the light side. Okay, so we go to this one first. So the tail I picked is Senza, including the emitter shot. This one, it is actually removable. You can see the screw there. They give you 3 different size of keys as well to open these screws. And this is the mirrored finish. If you're gonna ask me, the brush one or the mirrored one, I actually prefer this, but yes, you will do get hand prints over this, but it still looks very dope though. Alright, and this is the one most likely looks more accurate to the movie. Alright, and for this type of saber, Senza is actually used by Cal Kestis in the game Jedi Fallen Order. Okay, so for this one, I picked the silver activation switch with illuminated white color. So you can see this, there's a white illumination there. Alright, and inside here is the blade plug. I picked the dark edition one. Alright, so we go to the accessories first. Alright, so this will be the 36 inches mid-grade blade. It is combat ready, no worries about this. And this will be the cover, very nicely done by Sabertrio. You can remove this later on before you can slide it in, slot it in into the tail. And this will be the charger, and this will be the keys, as I mentioned earlier. Right, so we go straight into how you're gonna use this lightsaber. So here there's a cover behind there, which you will turn to to loosen this, and inside will be the main thing. So you're gonna be extra careful in handling this. Right, so this will be the speaker, you can see that. Right, try not to touch it, just shake it until it's coming out. This will be the thing you're gonna get out. Alright, so you can see this is the charger port. You just put it there, and the LED, the red color LED from the charger will be lightened until it turns green, then only means the charging is done. Alright, so this is it, the part of it. Alright, so how are you gonna operate the saber? Alright, if for the Senza one, if you want to remove the emitter shroud, you just need to unscrew these 4 screws actually, and you can remove this, but I prefer this on, so I'll just show you with this thing. Alright, so what you're going to do with this, the first thing is press it once. You can hear the sound, that means it's activated. And for you to start this, just press another one, and this one is the blue color. This will be the speaker, and it's move sensitive. Alright, so you want to stop this, just press around 2 seconds and that's it, but it's still in active mode. Alright, so if you want to change the color, or if you want to change into silent mode, if you want to change into silent mode, you just need to press it for 3 seconds until you can listen that it's actually turned on but without any sound. Right, so you want to change the color, you need to make it in deep sleep mode, which means you need to hold the button until you can hear the second sound. Okay, this means the saber is already in sleep mode. Alright, so what you can do now is just hold the saber until you hear 3 beeps. Alright, so this will be the color changing mode. You have 15 colors for both Neo Saber and so FX Saber. So this will be the option. You can see the green. You have 2 options of green, one is more lime in color, and then you have the yellow color one, orange, red, this is purple, and then blue. Okay, so once you're done picking up the color, once you decide which color you want to use, you can just hold it for another 3 seconds and it's ready to be used. Right, so now I'm gonna unscrew this, I'm gonna remove the blade plug, and I'm gonna put in the blade. Right, and then I'll show you the 15 different color options before we give it a go. Right. And you will get the effect of hitting like that. Alright. Okay guys, so basically this is it. Alright, so to conclude this thing, it's gonna be easy if you just read the guideline on how to order your custom saber from Sabertrio. And because the next opening sale for them, they will not have the ready-made saber, so either way you need to try and you need to order your own saber. So the first thing is just pick which head you want the first, which finishing, and all the things about whether you want an amateur shroud, which color of the activation switch you want, and then the coveted clip. Alright, and then the length of the blade and the grade of the blade, and then you need to choose, most importantly, is you're going to do with the Neo Saber of the FX Saber, which one. Alright, so in terms of the finishing, the product as described, it is exactly on point, and it's worth the waiting of 4 months to get this done. And kudos to Sabertrio team for providing such a masterpiece. And thank you for watching. If you have any kind of suggestion, any questions about this or other thing, you just need to comment down there below. Again, thank you for watching. May the force be with you.